Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. Today we're going to head to the Petrolling Street Markets. I need to get a new bag, this one's fallen apart. I need to have a look for a few other things. I've got some really nice food there as well. It's raining a bit, but I've got a bit of a surprise for you all. I'll show you that now. Oh guys, this is a surprise. I've actually got a microphone for helmet cam, so hopefully it sounds good. You'll have to be a bit patient with me guys while I work out where's the best place to put the mic and whether it's better with the visor open or down or anything. And I'll try not to breathe too heavy when I've got the microphone on. But for now guys, let's head to the markets. Singapore 2022, so it's done, well, the end of 2022, so it's done just a bit over a year. But it gets some heavy work guys, it's always with me. You can see the way it looks like I'm limping all the time. That's because that bag's so heavy and it's just me pushing the bag with my leg, so it does a lot of hard work. And I think it cost maybe $20 maybe, but we'll find out today at the markets, because this is a really common sort of bag here in Asia. So hopefully I'll be able to find the same thing, because I'm terrible with change. Have the bag behind me sitting on my butt, but since I've been travelling in third world countries, so like the last 20-odd years, 25 years maybe, I've had it at the front, so that's why it looks like I'm limping, because I've got this big heavy bag sitting on my left leg and it's on the front to deter pickpockets and the like. What a beautiful old building. But if you go back to the guided tour of Kuala Lumpur video back at the end of 2022, in the Malaysia playlist, I explain what all this is about. Yeah, this is a very important part of KL for festivals and events and things. And I bought two microphones, one for the handheld, but I don't really need two because I don't use them both at once, but I've got one for spare. But yeah guys, I'll be able to look around like this and look at stuff and talk, and you'll still be able to hear me. Look at all this food guys, amazing. The markets is just here, so we'll go in and find a bag. But yeah, all those times that I've been turning around looking at stuff like this and you haven't been able to hear me, hopefully this has fixed that problem. I hope so anyway. The first shop I see is a bag shop, but that's not the sort I like. I like these sort of shoulder bag thingies. But we'll have a look around. Let's have a look what he's got in here. No, not what I want. So we'll head up. There'll be heaps of them guys. These bags are everywhere. If you guys have been following me for a couple of years, you'll know that everywhere we went they had them in Singapore. And I'll tell this story a couple of times, but when we were in Colombia, I needed a new bag, and Janet said, oh, you have to buy that one, even though I didn't like it, because we probably won't see a bag shop again. And since then, we've saw about 1 million bag shops on every corner in Colombia and now Asia. So yeah, I always bring that up to annoy Janet. Love you, baby. Oh man, this is really quite impressive. But anyway, I'm going to turn the camera off for now and find some stuff I need. I'm such a creature of habit. I really find it hard to choose something if it's not exactly the same. So there's been a few bags I've seen, but I kind of get used to where everything goes. Anyway, it's got this whole big market to walk around, so that's no problem. I hope this audio is working all right, because this is good not having to worry about the camera. I'll look at you guys every now and again, because it's good to make eye contact, but it's good to be able to look around, not have to worry about audio. Yes, I'm starting to think my style of bag might even be a bit 2022, because I can't see any. Sunglass shelf at home is so full of sunglasses, because I always leave at night time and keep forgetting sunglasses, so I need some new ones. Let's check these. All right, there's a mirror right there. Oh guys, I'm going to turn the camera off and I'll show you once I've found something. All right, we'll see how long these ones last me. Can you clean them please? Wash them. And yeah, so they cost me about $7 US, which is a bit expensive, but he was a good salesman, so he talked me into it. Sunglasses number 22 for this trip. That's an exaggeration, but it's close. I've had glasses break and I keep leaving them places. And it's the thing with wearing cheap ones, you don't worry so much about it. But anyway guys, I'm going to get onto my bag search. I'll let you know when I find something. I found one. It's slightly different, but it's actually lighter than the one I've got. So I've just got to pay for that. This is the lady I'm getting it off. Yes, please. There was no one here when I got here. Now it's packed. I'm glad I'm leaving. And I'm nearly out. But yeah, this was a pretty big market, guys. Well worth coming and having a visit. Anything you're looking for, I think you'll find it here. But, yeah, I'm just going to head back to the hotel, swap out bags, all the stuff out of the old bag. And guys, Janet will tell you, I'm terrible at change. Even though this was the style of bag that I had before I got this one, and I had all the trouble changing to this one, I'm still going to have that trouble. It's, yeah, I don't know whether it's my ADHD or whatever it is, compulsive disorder, OCD, whatever they call it. It's one of my mental illnesses, makes it really hard for me to change. So there's a tattoo shop here. There's a few tattoo shops along here, but I like the look of this one. I was just about to go in there, say hello, but then I got touted at the door. The guy sort of dragged me in there, so they lost me. I don't need any more tattoos. Well, not for now. I'll get plenty more in other countries, but for now I've got plenty. And now we're at the end of the market. So Libby's right here, I hope. I think this is where I came in. I hope so. It was a pretty big market. Oh, maybe not. Shit, now I'm worried. Ah, there she is. I can see her, guys. No need to stress. Well guys, I'm just having lunch. Beef curry and tandoori chicken. I'm not sure if I've shown you this before, but this is one of my favourite places in some way to eat. So many different choices. I can eat something different every day. And it's so good, guys. And this is where I come for breakfast. Really good roti. So yeah, it's called the Shaz, S-H-A-A-Z. The pyramid and all the hotels are just across the road, so it's in the main part of Sunway. Well, the beef I picked today was really spicy, so I used that as an excuse to come and get some egg tarts. But being lunchtime, they've run out, so I've got to come back in 20 minutes. But the good thing about that is it'll be a nice fresh batch. And they're delicious, guys, they really are. Even the cold ones, I ate one the next morning, and the pastry's lost its crunch, but the inside is still, I'm sure they've used condensed milk instead of milk to make the egg tart, but I don't know. I just know it's delicious, and I have to wait 20 minutes. So there's about 100 egg tarts sitting there, but the eggs were spoiled, so they can't sell them. And they won't be doing any more today because the whole batch is spoiled. So no egg tarts today. Anyway, it's probably for the best. I eat far too many of them. I eat so many of them that when I came back after being away for nearly 4 weeks, the girl said, oh, four Portuguese tarts, 4 Portuguese. And everyone else there was laughing, so they know me. And it's a good feeling, guys. When I went to the 7-Eleven, I walked into the 7-Eleven and he said, oh, no soda water, sir, I'm sorry, with a big grin on his face. That was without me even asking. What else? There was somewhere else I went. It was, when I went and got a shawarma, the kid there, Syrian kid. Oh, he jumped up, shaking my hand. Oh, welcome back, sir, welcome back. It's a good feeling. And it's not hard, guys. You just be nice to people. Don't be an asshole. And they remember you nicely. And I eat far too much when I'm here anyway. I'm already thinking of having a shawarma for dinner. Malaysia. Well, all of Southeast Asia, really incredible food. A lot of people say that the food in the Philippines isn't the best, but that vinegar-based sauces, just amazing. How you doing, guys? Yeah, subscribe. Mad Dog Adventures. Subscribe.
I think you want.
What's that? No. Thank you, mate. Thank you. Sorry? I am recording, yes. So you'll be on in maybe first week of February. You'll be on my YouTube. Guys, every video we've done in some way, I've walked around this shopping centre, the Sunway Pyramid. I've literally walked around here for hours and still finding stuff I haven't seen before. This place just keeps going on forever and ever and ever. And now, I'm horribly lost. No idea where I am. If worst comes to worst, I can ask someone where's the skate rink. Then I can find my way out, but I've got no idea how I ended up here or where I am. I just went out a door that I thought I knew, but no idea, guys. Anyway, this place just goes forever and ever. This part, with all the walking I've done around here, I've never seen this part before. Well, it took me an hour, but I found my way out. Oh, now I'm on the hunt for some soda water, and this is only my third night here. I'm pretty sure I've already emptied every shop. They're still getting over my last visit here, and the last one before that. So this is like 3 times I've been here in the last 6 weeks about. So. Oh gosh, that shopping centre. I kept turning around corners thinking this must be the way. It wasn't. And guys, this is my favourite shawarma place. But they've got no shawarma on Sundays, I just found out, so they're cooking me a kebab. They'll still do it in like a shawarma in bread and stuff, but it'll be like a chicken kebab skewer that they put in there. Yummy. I'm hungry. I can't believe I'm hungry because I ate all that lunch. Food here, I keep raving about it, but it's unbelievable. Anyone that comes to Malaysia will tell you the food is unbelievable. And I've got plenty of footage to make a video, so if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that Mad Dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. Might as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.